Welcome to Transport Vlog. My name is Paul and I'm currently at Central Station. This is going to be another update video on all the Sydney Metro work that's happening here at Central Station. A couple of interesting little structures have appeared right behind me, so I'm going to start with those. This is taken from platform 11 looking into the Sydney Metro construction site. You can see elements of a new building here. And this building coming into view is going to be a ventilation and services building. Here is a closer view of it. This building will be on the new platform 14. Just a little bit south of the new ventilation and services building is this building. I'm not sure what the purpose of this building is as yet. Here's another view of the new ventilation and services building, this time from the southern end of platform 16. Notice the artwork on the side. On platform 16 there are currently some gaps in the fencing allowing you to see straight into the Sydney Metro site. It now looks like work is happening to build a new platform 13 and 14. You can see the new canopy that will go over platforms 12 and 13. Notice the square box to the right. It looks like this leads down to the Sydney Metro concourse below. And I'm guessing this is used to get components for the platforms, lifts and other materials down into the Sydney Metro concourse area. And this also means that work to construct the new platforms 13 and 14 can happen at the same time as the Sydney Metro work. You can also see what looks like a concrete track bed for the new tracks into platforms 13 and 14. Also notice this ventilation machine, which looks like it's providing clean air to the Sydney Metro concourse below and is maybe sucking out dust and anything else undesirable as well. From the north end of platform 16, you can also see some further work that is taking place. Here is some footage of the site from a train coming into Central from Redfern. Notice the concrete slab just here. If you have any ideas on what this might be for, do let me know in the comments. You can see some evidence of something being constructed just here. And here's part of the first building I showed you earlier. And then the ventilation and services building. Looking at the plans, it looks like these two buildings might join together to become one building. Now viewing platform 12 from the upper northern concourse, and you can see that the new canopy is taking shape. So now on the upper level of the new northern concourse, looking west, behind the destination displays you can see the Central Station clock tower, which somehow got missed on my last update. You can now see the new glass screens that have appeared behind the buffer stops on platforms 8 to 12. The white hoarding to the right is still there. This area is going to be so much bigger once that's removed. And this is looking from the Grand Concourse. I can't wait for that white hoarding to go. Over on the right, the glass protection screens on the upper level are now complete. The entrance to the Olympic Tunnel is over on the right. It did open for a little while but has since closed again. Here is one of the Olympic Tunnel entrances from a Suburban platform. For more detailed information on the new Northern Concourse and the feature roof, do check out my May 2021 update video. There's a link in the description below. Not much has changed in the area below the original Suburban entrance. You can see how much more space there will be when this area opens. Now looking at the back of the Northern Concourse from Eddy Avenue, you can see the work taking place to finish the roof. Behind the brown covers is the original station building. This is made of sandstone and brick, and this is currently being cleaned up and restored. Work continues on installing lifts and escalators that will lead down to a new underground concourse called Central Walk. On platforms 16 and 17 you can just about make out the new glass lift here. Elsewhere, the protective covers which are above the hoardings make it very difficult to see what is going on. However, a door was inadvertently left open for a few minutes, so I was able to have a quick peek at one of the new escalators. A few changes have happened from the Chalmers Street entrance to the Eastern Suburbs platforms, so that's platforms 24 and 25. The temporary corridor that was there before has now been removed. And this is what it now looks like. The stairs down to the Eastern Suburbs platforms are on the right. And here will be a new lift. I'm not sure if this is going to go to the Eastern Suburbs platforms or down to Central Walk. And here is the same passageway walking in the opposite direction. Notice the orange wires hanging down from the roof, which shows that this is still a work in progress. And a new lift has been built, so I'm going to be very lazy and take the lift. The doors open on the opposite side and lead you towards the Chalmers Street entrance. Work continues on the new Chalmers Street station entrance. This will provide a very convenient interchange with Sydney Light Rail and will link to the Central Walk underground concourse. Notice the beginnings of what might be a building on the left. This map will help you understand what is going on here. So the existing Chalmers Street entrance is here. The new Chalmers Street entrance marked in purple is here, and it will also have an entrance on Randal Lane as well. The Sydney Light Rail platforms are indicated in red. Central Walk is indicated in brown, and the new Sydney Metro platforms are indicated in blue. This is Randal Lane, and you can see the construction site for the new Chalmers Street entrance on the left. Here is a closer view of the work taking place here to build the new station concourse. As you can see, it's mainly scaffolding at the moment. And this is what the rest of the Chalmers Street station construction site looks like from Randal Lane. So that was my update on all the Sydney Metro work that's happening here at Central Station as of November 2021. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, give it a thumbs up, do leave a comment or question below. I'll do my best to answer any questions. If you haven't already subscribed to the Transport Vlog YouTube channel, then please do, and consider supporting me on Patreon as well. I'll put a link in the description below. There's quite a few perks, including early access to videos and extra exclusive videos as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.